right, let's try that again. I'm gonna grab the bean here.
The bean?
Yeah, I'm grabbing the bean.
Oh, bean. That was a bean.
Yes, okay, we're still focused.
The front wheel is liability. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. You're literally carving out one.
Well, now we're I think it's just the back, the right rear. It's the right rear that's having problems.
Jack it up and then push it forward. Yeah. Not bad. Did I jack it or? I'll start pushing it.
Oh yeah. Here, yeah, you push it because you seem to be able to get over there.
Oh, this is right. It's like really right. Okay, so like really deep in there.
Okay. Here, I'll work on the front. Hey Daniel, do you think you can use the jack stick to jack up the back end when Zob says so?
Oh.
And then I'll work up here.
Like right on the end. You know, just move all our stuff.
Yeah. Okay. I got it here, so yeah, Daniel, can you go to that stick and jack up the back? And then I'm gonna pull on the front.
Go!
Yeah,
This is
here,
awesome.
let Daniel jack up.
That's blood.
Yeah, this is bad stuff right here. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Wait, hold on. I'm not ready. Not live. Oh shit.
Yeah, start rocking it.
There, go down, let it go down, let it down.
Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Go. Rock back.
Okay, Daniel. I gotta turn the wheel. Yeah. Okay.
Back to work, ready? Oh my gosh. Oh, you do know this goes out with all the sun now that we're gone.
Okay. I'll try Okay.
Yo, I'm not using stick here.
Yeah. Hang on, the front is sort of out.
It is?
Yeah, let's see if I can.
You're gonna try it?
We'll just try it.
Alright, let me get out of here. Let it go.
Okay. Well, now what?
What do you mean? You gotta push it up still. The back is in.
Yeah.
Chris, just leave it.
Yeah.
I think now's where we just leave it and
How about here? Let's get that stick. Can I have that stick, Daniel? Please. I'm gonna try.
Oh.
Preferably not the muddy side in my face. All right, beautiful. I'm gonna try to jack up the front.
how's that gonna help?
I don't know.
It's not.
Swing the front over, I guess.
Yeah.
Wrong way.
Yeah, I'll go this way. Oh, sorry.
See you there.
Yeah, I'll move. I'll move.
Let me see if I can.
Sorry.
That's number one.
Oh, that'll be hot. Careful.
Oh man, I don't have foot. I don't have foot. Give me.
Here, I'll-
Hold on, let me get this.
It's probably straighten the wheel.
Oh, my foot just sinking in the blood here.
Here, get him one of those slabs. Can you pass me the slab there? Yeah. Here's that. I was gonna toss this.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry.
Bruh!
Die.
That was. Oh, this is definitely straight.
Alrighty. Straighten the wheel maybe, or
No. Keep, what happens
I'll push the
is
back.
the wheel starts to turn when I lift it up,
Oh, okay, yeah.
and then I get scared and I'm gonna pinch my fingers.
Okay. I'll push from the back here.
I don't know where's the pinch point, so this is not gonna be good.
Okay. Ready? Here we go.
Don't push me back.
Don't push from the back.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so
Okay.
It's not pinch point.
Oh my gosh. Legend.
Now straight.
Okay. Oh yeah,
Push it
straighten
out.
the wheel. You got it? Okay, we'll push from the back now.
Let me move this wood thing.
My gosh. Oh. Good lord.
I've been here for like
Oh man.
oh
Mud! I'm still pushing! I'm still trying!
What?
Hang on. I'm, okay. There we go. Almost fell in.
take the log and maybe try.
Yeah, let's try, I guess we try driving it. Ow. My head.
Let's just get it back out.
Okay, yeah.
Use some of the logs from up there.
Okay, yeah, let's get those slabs up. Yeah, get that, put that log behind the wheels, and I'll get some of these up there.
I'm definitely changing my jeans tonight.
We'll send them. Watch, I get stuck in the creek.
Oh,
Chris, no.
Alright.
That was everything.
Chris.
Flip it.
I'm not seeing any
I need like a log. Put out. Well, no, not about getting muddy. It's about my foot sinking into the mud and no traction. Okay. There you go. That's the log. Dang, not muddy is out of the question.
What about creek water? Chris gets stuck in the creek.
There we go. Oh my god. Okay. No, we got it.
We got
Maybe
this,
stand
man.
on the wheel. Is it neutral?
It's in neutral. Oh, wait.
Are you sure about that?
Are you kidding?
Chris! Come on, buddy.
Hey, wait, I'm still rocking. Still rocking.
Okay.
I'm stuck on it. I'm stuck on it. Wait. Guys. Hold on. What's in your target?
He's swinging from the bridge and pushing the log.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes!
Hop in there, I can push up.
Okay. Okay.
I give you one big push. front shoe is kicked. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta get a stick.
I'm trying to get this long back. So
Yeah, for sure.
There we go.
You just grabbed the light off my. Oh wait, is that what you did?
Oh, should we get that stick from the other side?
Yeah. Okay. Back it up and then.
Hold up.
There you go.
That jumps out like whenever they go to the end of the, what's that one show?
We're lifting it, and then I'm gonna like pull it. Yeah, you might want to help your bro out. Alright.
Holy cow! Hold on, just let go. Let me see if I can do it.
I have to pull it. I have to. Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Hang on. Hang on. I gotta get on. I gotta get on this piece. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, let's go!
Okay, hang
Got a
on.
big one magnet fish in here.
All right, go again.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, again.
Oh, wait, oh shoot! Yeah, move over, move over.
We gotta go back. We gotta go back. Hang on. Let's go down here now, and we'll just pull it right out.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. Hey, push, Chris. Chris, push it.
I don't have traction.
Should I push it?
No, that's okay.
Wait.
Here, I'll try driving it maybe.
No.
Why not?
Yeah, get it.
Just turn it.
Yeah, I'll let you turn it.
Good?
My hand hurts. Ow. Push it back.
Yeah, hang on.
Get behind. Push. Push it. You ready? One.
Yeah.
Alright, color.
Yeah?